Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the LXQT desktop of NixOS. So let us start. So now we are booted into the LXQT desktop of NixOS. As you can see, the two notifications are there for the power management. So LXQT desktop cannot detect the battery because we are running the LXQT desktop in a virtual machine. So we have got four icons on the desktop, that is computer, network, the home folder for the user and the trash can. And below there is a panel. So you have got this application menu, then you have got the four workspaces. You can drop your application icons here to create shortcuts. You have got the network manager. You have got the notification area with the two notifications that were just shown sometime before, or you can say few minutes before. And then you have got the USB manager. You have got the volume control. It is a simple volume control. Then you have got this calendar and date time, and you have got minimize maximize window button. So this is the PCman FMQT file manager with version 1.1. It is a very light file manager, but with lot of functionalities there inside it. So it will be working very light, but it will have a lot of functionality. So it is not lean on functionality. Now let us go over to the application menu. So you have got this LXQT file archiver and the PCman FM Qt file manager. So both of them are designed in Qt language. We will just take a look at the file archiver. So the version is 0.6. It will do all the required archiving tasks. So it has got quite a bit of features. So it is not lean on features, but it is lean on the memory. So it is using less memory because it is the code is quite advanced and made very compact. So there are fewer lines of code, but it will work very fine, and it can work on specialties that it can work on older systems. So if you've got a 8 years, 5, 10-year old system, the LXQT desktop will definitely work on those older systems. In the graphics section, you have got the LX image. This is the default image viewer. So here the version is 1.1.0. It is a simple and fast image viewer. So it will have the good number of features will be available. It will not be lean on features again. Then there is screen grab. So this is the screenshot taker. So you can take a screenshot of the window area, the screen area, the last selected area, or the full screen area, and you can insert a delay for the screenshot, and you can include or exclude the mouse pointer. So all the basic functionality that you require, or it is granted that certain features will be always available in the screenshot application. All those features are there. So now I will close this. In the internet section, you have got the Firefox web browser. In sound and video, there is no video player or audio player. Only the pulse audio volume control is there. You will have to install your audio video player of your choice. So the audio video player is not there in the sound and video section. So this is the LXQT volume control. So you can control the playback, recording, output, input devices, and the configuration of the sound card from here. And the Firefox web browser comes with the version 106.0.5. It is the latest version of Firefox web browser. Now we will go over to the system tools. So the manage printing is there, NixOS manual is there, Q terminal is there. Q terminal is the default LXQT terminal. So here you can see it uses the Qt version 5.15.3. So now I will close this. Then you got the Qt terminal drop down. So this is another version of Qt terminal. So it is drop down from the top. So you can just work with it with the top edge of the window attached to the top end of the screen. So it works like that. It's just like a shade that drops down. QPS is the system monitor for LXQT desktop. So here you can see memory being used. So it is using 331 MB. So this is the typical LXQT RAM usage. It always hovers between 300 to 400 MB, and the caching is 480 MB and buffer is 44 MB. So it is very light on the system, and you can see here all the different processes that are working in the background. And CPU usage, you can see CPU usage is almost zero. It will be around 0.2, 0.1 or 0.3 percentage only. So it is very light on CPU usage. I will now close this. Now in the preferences section, you got the LXQT settings. So let us go over to the LXQT configuration center. So first thing will be to do the LXQT appearance configuration. So now here you can see the LXQT appearance configuration has started up, but in OpenSUSE Leap 15.5, 15.4, whenever we tried to open the LXQT appearance, it was not working because maybe the open box appearance was inhibiting the LXQT appearance because it was using the open box window manager. So maybe that was the reason. So we will check this time. So what exactly the reason was there in OpenSUSE Leap 15.4 LXQT appearance not working, we will know now. So here you can see there are different widget styles. So you got the Windows and the Fusion. Fusion is the default Qt style. If you want, I will change it over. Let us try to apply. Now this is how it changes the look. So the widget style has changed to Windows. So it will look more like a Windows desktop. And if you go over and change it over back to Fusion, so the widget style will be more smoother. And in Windows Qt style, it is more boxy like Windows. And you can change certain colors for the widgets also from here. You can save the color palette and you can load the color palette. If you have got earlier color palette saved, you can load the color palette file, and you can change the toolbar button style also. So here there are some options. Now let us go over to the icon theme. So there are 4 icon themes: Advaita, High Contrast, Breeze, and the Breeze Dark is there. So if we want, we can check out how it looks. So now we have selected the Breeze Dark icon, this icon themes. So the darker icons will be appearing. And now let us go over to the LXQT thing. Now you can see here, this all themes are available in OpenBox also. So what was happening is in OpenSUSE Leap 15.4, these themes got superseded by the OpenBox theme. So same themes are available in OpenBox also. So in OpenSUSE Leap 15.4, the LXQT appearance was inhibited and the theme setting could be done only through the this open box settings and not to the LXQT configuration. So now right now the clear looks are there, so we can go with the ambience. Let us try it. So this is the ambience theme and it works perfectly with the dark icon theme that we have set. So we have set the dark breeze theme for the icons and it will working very fine with the ambience theme that we have selected. Now let us check other themes also. Let us check over the quantum theme. So this is also a nice looking theme. You can see it here. Then there is leech theme. This is how it looks. This is also nice. Then you can go over to the frost. Not much has changed here, and the dark theme is there. So this is dark. This is also a very good looking theme. Then you can go for the arch colors. So it will be based on the arch color palette. So this is also very nice looking. Now let us go over to some more. Let us check out this Valendas. Yes, this is also okay. And the system theme, this is the default LXQT theme. So the LXQT desktop theme is there. So that's it. And then now let us move over to the font. So the Deja Vu Sans is the font family used as default. The style is normal. There are other three styles: bold, italic, and bold italic. So we can go with the bold italic. Let us see what happens. You can see here the italic font has been applied. Then let us go over to the cursor. There is only one cursor theme, that is the Advaita. Now GTK style, yes, you can set the GTK themes also. So Advaita is the default GTK2 theme. We go with the Advaita dark. And the GTK3 theme is Advaita, and you got other three options: high contrast inverse, and the Advaita dark. We go with Advaita and apply it. So definitely you can see the italic font is working, and the Advaita 2 and 3 theme has been applied. Maybe it will be the changes will be visible after we reboot the system. So that's it in the LXQT appearance configuration. Let us go over to the brightness. So here you can see the screen brightness is there. So right now the virtual one monitor is enabled because the virtual machine is using a virtual monitor. So for that, or virtual console, so we have to decrease the screen resolution using this only. That is the virtual one console. So it has been applied. This is the day date time and time zone settings. You can do the settings for the day date time and time zone from here. Yes, in the desktop we have to go to the advanced, and we can change the visible shortcuts that are appearing. So I will shut off the network icon. So network icon will disappear. Home, trash, and computer are there. So that's it. We can even remove the home also, because in computer we can go and we can navigate to the home from computer also. So I will removing the extra icons here. Slideshow is there. You can have a slideshow of the wallpaper. So you have to browse to the folder where the wallpaper images are shown, stored, and then you can enable the slideshow. So automatically all the wallpapers will be shown on the screen one by one. And this is the wallpaper background. So you can change the wallpaper background. Right now you can see a lot of wallpapers are there, and we can always choose the different wallpapers. So let us try to check out all the wallpapers. Now you have to apply the wallpaper. Yes, before that let us do some monitor settings. Yes, we will change the resolution, so the wallpapers will look gorgeous. Yes, now you can see here. Yes, and I will close this down. So this is how the wallpaper looks. Now we will go and change further wallpapers. This is also nice looking wallpaper. This one is nice. Very sober and very soothing wallpaper for your eyes. Let us try to find something nice. Let us try this LXQT wallpaper. This looks very nice. This one is also very good. Let's try this one. This one is also good. You will like this also. It is a KD wallpaper. This is also very nice subtle wallpaper for the eyes. Good. So that's it. Maybe we will try this final one, that is the Valendas. Yes, this is also nice. I will keep this wallpaper. And here you can change the icon size. Right now it is 48 by 48. You can go with the bigger icons or you can go with the smaller icons. Let us go with the 36 by 36. Yes, this is better resolution for the icon on the desktop. So that's it for the icons. Now let us go back again to the LXQT setting and the LXQT configuration settings. You have got this desktop notification, file associations, keyboards and mouse, local is there, power management is there, session settings, shortcut keys. So everything we have shown this many times on our video. There is nothing new, and there is some open box settings. So let us go over to this. Yes, here you can see now again the same themes are available here also. So the open box themes are the same that are the LXQT themes, because LXQT uses the open box as a window manager. So in some of the Linux distros, the LXQT appearance is disabled, and you have to change the themes from the open box settings and not from the LXQT configuration center. You have to use the this open box settings. So, but here in NixOS LXQT Desktop, both the settings are available. You can change the themes either from here or you can change the themes from the LXQT configuration center. But in OpenSUSE Leap, the LXQT configuration center appearance settings was disabled, and only you could do the setting from the open box settings. So now let us try. Right now the clear looks has been enabled. Let us go with the ArtWiz boxed. Let us try. So the theme ArtWiz box is now enabled. Let us try the BL2 theme. You can see here immediately the theme is taking effect, I think. Then you have got this clear looks. Then you have got clear looks 3.4, clear looks olive. So you can see immediately the theme gets enabled. Mikachu is there. Mikachu is also a nice one. You got Natura. You got Oinsk. Yes, it is working. Orange citrus. Then you got orang. Orang is just a theme with the orange colored accents, and the system crash is there. So I think I will go with the clear looks, not clear looks. Let us go with yes. This one looks nice for me. That is the clear looks olive, or we can go with no, not Mikachu. No. Olive is good. I will go with this theme. And now let us go over to the appearance section. So here you can change the appearance of the windows and the button order of the windows. N is the window icon. This is the window icon. Then you got the window label. So this is the window label here. Then iconify is there. There is minimize button. Then you got maximize button. Then you got the close button, and there is shade, that is roll up, and the D, that is omnipresent on all desktop. So this is the window button order. Or then there is font. So you can see the sans italic font has been now applied. Earlier it was Deja Vu font, so the Deja Vu font has now changed to the italic because we did the settings in the LXQT configuration center. Here are some Windows settings for focus and the placement of windows on the desktop. You got move and resize, so you can do the settings for move and resizing of windows from here. The mouse settings are here. So how the mouse will interact with the windows, so you can do the settings here. In the desktops you can show a notification when switching desktops, the amount of time to show the notification for, and the number of desktops that are available. Right now the 4 desktops are available. Let us go for only 2. So here immediately the change has been effected on the system. And these are the desktop margins. So margin are reserved areas on the edge of the screen. So you can do the setting for left, top, right and bottom. And this is the dock setting. Right now the dock is not there. So dock contains all the dock apps. So right now there is no dock, but you can have a dock, additional dock, and you can put some applications there for easy access. And you can do stacking and hiding of the dock also in dock apps. Now I will close this. This is the preferred application settings. So you got the preferred web browser as Firefox. Mail client, there is no mail client installed because the NixOS gives you a very lean desktop. All the desktops in NixOS are lean. You have to install all the additional applications. Only the basic applications are there to get you started. Now the screensaver is there, so you can see all these screensavers. They are same screensavers that were available in other LXQT desktop in other Linux distros. So right now the mode selected is random screensaver. We can have only one screensaver, disable screensaver or blank the screensaver. And there are certain other settings for the screensavers that we have seen earlier in the OpenSUSE Leap 15.4 LXQT desktop. Same settings are available here also. I will close this now. So this is all same, all battery watcher is there, lead action, idle action, power key actions, everything is same just like in any other Linux distribution LXQT desktop. I think now we will go ahead. We are done with the settings. Open box also we are checked up. Yes, open box is also done. Settings is done. About the LXQT desktop, so the version here is 1.1 LXQT desktop. I think this is the latest stable desktop for LXQT. And there is this lock screen is there, and the leave or the power manager is there, so you can hibernate, leave, log out, reboot, shutdown and suspend. So I think with this we have covered the LXQT desktop of NixOS. I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.